What if there is a lazy way to get more than $500 as soon as today? I mean, as getting pretty much 19% of the work done for you with just a few clicks of a button, and you can start receiving your very first payment right now, $100, $200, or even up to $500. And after researching more than 100 plus different methods and strategy to make money online, only a very few of them actually pass the test and proven to make real money, and this is one of them. Even though this is a completely free method that works in every country in the world, not everyone can make money with it. Why? Because 19% of people who are watching this video will skip some parts of the video without fully understanding the entire concept. So don't be one of those people. But first, before we get into the video, hello and welcome to Easy Finance Boy. We teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to all of you guys. Now let's get into the video. In this video I will show you one of the laziest way to make money. Alright, and I am not talking about small money here. I'm talking about $500 or even thousands of dollars for right now. You can go into lithium.org. Now, once you come over here to the home page of this website, I want you to come in and click on this link on the top which says browse, and they want you to select this category, which is to browse projects from there. That's going to bring you straight onto this page where you can find different features, projects, and as you can see here, when I go down below, there are literally unlimited projects that you can select right on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. And I will show you a very lazy way to do it, and you don't have to put in any of the hard work. As you can see here, people from different countries in the world, they are getting this opportunity to make really good money. And in fact, I want you to comment down below. Please let me know which country are you guys watching from, because we will create more videos for you in the future. And as you can see here, in the last section, there are basically categorizing all of the jobs into different categories. For example, usability, testing, registration, translation, app downloads, video and animation, and so on and so forth. Now on this video I will save you a lot of time. As always, I will show you the bonus tip and give you what's fast in what's working right now, and you could be making a lot of money. Now for those of you guys who are watching, I want you to see this bonus tip, and I want you to focus on this category, which is graphics and design. And all you are going to do is click on this link right here, and that's going to bring you to this page and show you other projects related to graphics and design. Now don't worry, you don't need any graphics design skills, you don't need any technical skills, and you don't need any experience. In fact, I promise you this is one of the laziest way to make money online, and you can do this as a complete beginner. Now, as you can see here, for example, these projects and how that money could change your life, you can use it to buy whatever things you want. You can buy a house, buy a car, you can have all of your finance freedom and pay off any of all your debts. Just look at these projects for thousands of dollars and even hundreds of dollars. And we have unlimited jobs available for everyone, and I could just keep on scrolling down. I can see here there are just unlimited projects available, but the next question you probably have is, how can I actually do that? How can I actually start making money just like these peoples? You can see $100 here up to 500 in US dollars. And if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's carry on. We are going to dive straight into one of these examples. Now let's just say, for example, a project like this is posted by this company. The project they want you to do is to design a new and original logo. Now all you got to do is click on this project right here, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here the reward is $100, and they are gonna pay you in US dollars. Now you can see here the instruction, which will vary depending on which projects you choose. That's the name of their company. Now once again, don't worry, you don't have to create any of the logos yourself. If you can go on freelogodesign.org. Now once you come over to the home page, you can see here this website offers free services and free software to create logo for you in literally just a few seconds. And as you can see here, there are just some of the professional logos for different companies, and are all the kinds of different templates and different designs, and I will show you exactly how to do it right now. I will give you a lot of examples and show you a few bonus tips, and so at the end of this video I will show you another special website, so literally you multiply your earning through a couple or more money by simply clicking on few buttons. And once again, I promise you, this is going to be one of the laziest way to make money online without any of the hard work. You can literally create an entire professional logo in just a few seconds. So right now, let me just show you how exactly you're going to do this. You will need two pieces of information to create a free logo on this website. Number one, you need a company name, and number two, you need to select one of these categories as you can see here. Now let's say if we want to work on these projects now, we can find the company name. You can see this is the company name. Go ahead and enter the company name, and the reason why we're going to put in the name of the company is because that's going to appear on the logo. And as you can see here, they are going to give us a lot of different templates, and the name of the company will appear right on the logo. And moving on, you will need to learn about what's the category of their company, which you can find on their instruction. Now once you enter the company name, we have to move on to select one of these categories. Just click on this down arrow and choose one of these categories. Basically, you can find a lot of categories from this down arrow. So from there, when you scroll down below, you want to look for this specific category for the company you will be making the logo. So just click on this, and from there all you got to do is click on this button, get started, and they are going to start loading up as you can see here and show you different kinds of logos. And guess what? With just one click of a button, you can see here they are literally helping you to create your logo, and they have pages and pages of logo designs that you can use for absolutely free. And now as you can see, you're gonna scroll down, look for any of these logos design, and they are super professional. Let's just say that once you have finished it on page number 1, you can just click here to go on to page number 2, and they are show you even more different logo design. And as you can see here, the name of the company will show up right there on the logo design. Now, if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, or for example, when you send it to your client later and they are not satisfied, you can just go and select any of these new logos and then show them once again from just one single categories. As you can see here, there are 4 pages on different logos design. Now, if you're not satisfied, you're just going to click on other different categories, and they will show you other logos design. And like on the screen, there are just unlimited option and unlimited logo design that you can choose from with just one click of a button. And you don't need any technical skills, you don't need any graphic design skills, and you don't have to create any of the logos yourself. Promise you, this one is the laziest way to make money right now without any experience. So let's just say if you want to select this logo, all you go to do is click on the right here and click on the added button. And from there, that is going to show up right here on your Canva. Now we can do all other customization and editing that you want. Say, for example, this graphic, you can just drag and drop whatever you want. We can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, you can make a lot of adjustments. For example, the name of the company, you can either even add some tags, you can change the color, you can change the file, and you can drag and drop to any place that you want. And of course, they are so professional, you don't have to do any of the adjustment. You can just get it all done for you, and you can actually preview this logo but just clicking on this button. And once again, this works on your mobile phone, and this is also working on the computer, and you can do it on any device that you have. Once you are satisfied with the local design, and all you have to do is click on the save button to save it on your device. So this is one of the example to be a logo for this company. And guess what? When you go back to lithium.org and browse on different projects, you have literally hundreds of projects that are looking to hire people like you and I to design different logos, and they are paying you top dollars, $500 to $1,000 again and again, and right here on this website, and they pay you on time, on schedule, and all you got to do is click on this button on the top to sign up for free, and that's going to bring you to this page, and you can just put in your email address. You can sign up for a free account and start making money with lithium.org. And as a bonus for some of you guys who are still watching all the way to the end, I will show you another bonus tip. Other than lithium.org, you can also go on to fiverr.com, and this is basically another freelance website where you can find different similar projects as well. So all you gonna do is type in this keyword logo design, and all you gonna do is click on search button, and from there you can find different projects in different other logo design work. And as you can see here, these are just some example of other freelancers from different countries in the world. They are making really good money on Fiverr by simply helping other people to create a design or a logo. You can see here this person create professional logo design for this amount. Right here another one, you can see their view or the right here, and there are literally hundreds and thousands of people, and they are looking for somebody to help them create a logo design. And guess what? You could be the one to do it, and you can just simply go on to this website design.org to create other logos professionally with just one click of a button, and this is absolutely free. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post a new content on this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Thank you.